Good morning. Welcome to another day of science. It is Monday, January 11th. This is your Monday walkthrough video. All right, gang, we're getting down to kind of the nitty gritty. This is the last week before exam, so again, another review week. Let's jump right into the week 17 folder. First of all, Monday, Tuesday, I'll put this on there once I publish it. I realize I got to publish it still. If you have less than a 60% in class, I sent a Schoology message to you Friday last week, scheduling a Google Meet time either today or tomorrow. Make sure you check your Schoology messages to see what time that Google Meet is. I'm definitely going to send you a reminder this morning with your specific time. Be there. We'll chat for about 10 minutes, come up with a plan to get you to passing. So you don't have to repeat all your semester one classes, so at least you don't have to repeat your science semester one class. That's pretty good. That's pretty important. So just a reminder about that. Here's the Monday, Tuesday folder. Watch the Monday walkthrough video. There'll be a Tuesday walkthrough video posted on Tuesday. There's a page titled Calculating Subatomic Particles, and then another one titled Drawing Atoms. This is to review how to do all that information. And then there's a atom review quick check, which will be open on Tuesday. I can review how to calculate subatomic particles and draw atoms. Performance task, students will complete the atom review quick check. Success criteria, I will be successful when I score at least a 7 out of 10 on the quick check. The quick checks we did last week, the ones we'll do this week, important to do because it puts you, gives you some questions about stuff that we covered way back in the first 9 weeks, questions that will be on the exam that you want to make sure you have, a little bit fresher in your mind. So that's kind of why I'm doing it this way. So in this Monday, Tuesday folder, the Monday walkthrough video will be up there. Obviously, the quick check will be open on Tuesday. I'll make sure I add that to it as a reminder so you don't try to do it today. The Calculating Subatomic Particles page, let's look at this real quick. So, first reminder that in order to anything that we do about chemistry, you're going to need to use the website ptable.com. ptable.com, I linked to it there. We used it a bunch back in the first 9 weeks. As far as finding out how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in an atom, that's what we want to know. How do you figure out how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in an atom? Well, when we're on ptable.com and you click on an element, for example, sodium, and it brings up this little box right here, we see a few different numbers. We see this number right up here in the upper left-hand corner. We see this number down here at the bottom, and we see these 3 numbers right here. We're going to ignore these 3 numbers for right now. We're just going to look at the atomic number, which is this, which will always be a whole number, and the atomic mass, which will always appear as a decimal, but you need to round it to the nearest whole number. So 22.990, that would round to 23, obviously. If you're looking at something like magnesium, 24.305, that's going to round down to 23, or to 24, sorry. So the atomic number for sodium is 11 and can be found in the upper left-hand corner. The atomic number tells you how many protons and electrons are found in an element. So no matter what, if you click on an element and you find the atomic number, that's how many protons and how many electrons, always. If you know one of those numbers, you know the other one. There's never a situation where like, hey, the atomic number is 75, the protons are 75, the electrons are 76. There's never a situation like that. The atomic number is always going to tell you the number of protons and electrons. All right, pretty simple stuff there. The atomic mass is this number. So for sodium, we said it's 22.990, but it's going to round up to 23. To find the number of neutrons, all you do is take the atomic mass minus the atomic number. So 23 minus 11, math majors, that's 12. So it tells you there's 12 neutrons in an atom of sodium. All right? Not real complex stuff. Not real complex at all. 23 minus 11, 12 neutrons. So that's how you find protons, neutrons, and electrons just using the periodic table, just using ptable.com. All right? Identifying atoms. This is how do we know what an atom is going to look like, how many electron shells it's going to have, and how many electrons is going to be in each one of those shells. So this one, we do need to look at these numbers in the upper right-hand corner. So this example, we're looking at magnesium. The numbers are 2, 8, and 2, going from top to bottom. One, the fact that there's 3 numbers tells you there's going to be 3 electron shells in an atom of magnesium. So here's the nucleus with the Mg, then there's 1, 2, 3 electron shells. That's what those 3 numbers means. Now, these numbers also tell me how many electrons are going to be in each one of these shells. The top number is the inside shell. Top number, inside shell. The middle number is going to be the middle shell. The bottom number is going to be the outside shell. You always go from inside out, working your way from inside to the out. So magnesium then is going to look like this. The numbers are 2, 8, and 2. So it's going to have 2 in the inside shell, then 8 in the second shell, and 2 in the outside shell. A couple examples down here for you. This one I have 2, 8, and 5, and then 2 and 7. So see if you can figure those ones out on your own. The answer's at the bottom of the page. Look, I could scroll so close and show you the answer, but I'm not going to do it. Fake out. You can figure those out on your own and check your answers on your own. So read through those 2 pages, and then, like I said, Tuesday, the quick check will be open for you to complete. Trying to think if there's anything else that we need to know for this week off the top of my head. Looking ahead, there'll be a Google Meet on Thursday at 11:30 to 11:45 just to review some stuff. But as always, let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you watch this video. Make sure you get the work done. Make sure any missing assignments are getting done. I send people all their missing assignments every Friday. You have them. You have a list. You got to get them done. That'll bring your grade up. Again, the goal is to get you to passing this class, your first semester classes, so you don't have to repeat them a second time. All right? Have a wonderful day. Good luck. Bobolik out.